Welcome back, folks. Today, we're diving deep into the world of fishing gear. And we've got something special on deck, the HUK Men's Rogue Wave Shoe.
If you're a fishing enthusiast like me, you know the importance of having the right gear.
And let me tell you, these shoes are the cream of the crop.
Now, let's talk about why these shoes are the best fishing boat shoes on the market.
First off, let's talk about durability.
The Rogue Wave shoe is built to withstand even the harshest conditions.
With a full neoprene and rubber upper construction, these shoes are as tough as they come.
Whether you're battling choppy waters or trudging through muddy banks, these shoes can handle it all.
And let's not forget about comfort.
These shoes feature a thick 8mm molded EVA footbed that keeps your feet feeling comfortable and supported all day long.
Plus, the padded collar and tongue provide extra cushioning where you need it most. Now, let's talk performance. The Rogue Wave shoe is designed with anglers in mind. The non-slip outsole tread pattern provides a lockdown grip on wet and slippery surfaces, so you can focus on reeling in the big one without worrying about slipping and sliding.
And thanks to the commercial-grade reinforced webbing pull straps, you can easily slip these shoes on and off, whether you're in wet or dry conditions. But don't just take my word for it.
Customers are raving about the Rogue Wave shoe. With a 5-star rating and glowing reviews, it's clear that anglers everywhere are loving these shoes. From their comfort and durability to their water resistance and value, these shoes have it all. So there you have it, folks, the HUK Men's Rogue Wave shoe.
If you're in the market for the best fishing boat shoes money can buy, look no further.
Trust me, these shoes will take your fishing game to the next level. Thanks for watching, and until next time, tight lines and happy fishing.